They sold you a perfect AI memory. Celebrity-backed, open source. Milla Jovovich, star of Resident Evil, claimed she was coding it with Claude. Said it was a revolution. We bought it. All of us. April 2026. MemPalace drops on GitHub. Nearly 1,000 stars in less than 2 days. The hype train? Full speed, no brakes. Who wouldn't want perfect memory, free and local? The pitch: highest scoring AI memory system ever benchmarked. 100% on Locomo. 96.6% recall on LongMemEvil. No API key needed. Sounded too good to be true. It was. Ben Sigmund, the Crypto Bro co-founder, swore it beat everything, paid or free. Local. No strings attached. Meanwhile, a MemPalace memecoin popped up on Solana. Because, of course, it did. The pump was officially on. But the internet has bloodhounds. Independent researchers started digging into the code. What they found wasn't a palace. It was a shack with a heavily photoshopped billboard. That 100% Locomo score? A total sham. They didn't retrieve anything perfectly. They just chucked the entire conversation into the context window. That's not memory. That's a brute force data dump. Seriously, a kid could code that. Strip away that trick, and MemPalace hit a dismal 60.3% on Locomo. Competitors like HiMem scored 83 to 89%, and they didn't cheat. And the benchmark itself? The Locomo ground truth had 99 wrong, hallucinated, or ambiguous answers right out of the box. Getting 100% on a broken test is still 0% on anything real. The LongMemEvil score, 96.6%. Sounds amazing, right? That was just ChromaDB's default embedding on raw text. Not some stroke of genius from MemPalace. Their fancy room-based filtering actually tanked it to 89.4%. Then there's AAAK compression, marketed as lossless, promising zero data loss. It resulted in a 12.4 percentage point drop in retrieval, from 96.6% down to 84.2%. Lossless? They lost your data, your trust, and probably your sanity. The no API key required promise? Another bald-faced lie. Those supposedly killer scores? They absolutely needed paid Claude API calls to achieve them. So much for free and local. You were paying to get ripped off. Remember automated contradiction detection from the README? Sounded super high-tech. The code contained zero such feature. They wrote a fantasy story about what their software should do, then completely forgot to actually build it. The code itself was a mess. 21 Python files, 4 test files, 7 total commits for version 3.0.0, version 3, day 1. This wasn't development. It was a single weekend hackathon project shoved into a fancy suit. Hard-coded row indices, shaky string-based date comparisons, no input sanitization. This thing was a prompt injection waiting to happen. Your AI memory palace was a house of cards built on pure fantasy. The ConvoMem benchmark? Equally fraudulent. They compared retrieval recall against question answering accuracy. Two completely different metrics. It's like comparing a car's top speed to the driver's shoe size. It means absolutely nothing. And the sample size? 50 items per category out of 75,000 possible pairs. That's not a benchmark. That's just picking the best possible data points to fit a story. A story that was always detached from reality. Even their own internal documentation, buried deep in BENCHMARKS.md, admitted to teaching to the test and structural issues with their Locomo score. But that crucial context? It stayed buried. Never saw the light of day in press releases or celebrity tweets. This is what the modern tech gold rush looks like. Grab a buzzword. Get a celebrity endorsement. Claim impossible benchmark scores. Watch the GitHub stars and Dogecoin-like meme coins pour in. Then vanish when the independent auditors pull back the curtain. Milla Jovovich, the action hero, supposedly coding with Claude. The image was powerful. It worked. For a little while, we all bought the hype. But a palace built on lies? It's just a pile of rubble. MemPalace wasn't an AI breakthrough. It was a masterclass in marketing hype over actual substance. A stark reminder. In the AI gold rush, the loudest claims are usually the most hollow. And you, still hunting for the next viral AI tool? Still buying into the hype? MemPalace did one thing right. It helped you remember that if it sounds too good to be true, it absolutely is.